What to do after a car accident, Massachusetts, step by step. If you've just been in a car accident in Massachusetts, it can be hard to think clearly in that moment. But there are a few key steps that may protect both your health and your legal rights. I'm attorney John Sheehan. I represent people injured in car accidents throughout Massachusetts. And if Spanish is easier for you, Hablamos Espanol. This video is general information about Massachusetts car accident cases and is not legal advice for your specific situation. Step 1. Call 911. Even in what looks like a minor crash, calling 911 is important. The police can get information about the other car and driver and call an ambulance or a tow truck if needed. A police report can become an important piece of documentation later. Step 2. Document the scene if you can. If it's safe, use your phone to take photos. Photos of all the vehicles involved, and take a photo of the other driver's license plate. Pictures of the road, skid marks, traffic lights, and signs. And take a quick video walking around the scene. Exchange information with the other driver and take a photo of the other driver's registration and driver's license. Get names and contact information for any witnesses. Step 3. Get medical attention promptly. Many injuries do not show up immediately. You might start to feel pain the next day. Seeing a doctor promptly is important for your health and creates medical documentation that may be important for any claim. Step 4. Notify your insurance company. Generally, you should notify your insurance company about the car accident within 24 hours. Your insurance company should have a toll-free number to call. When you call, stick to the basic facts of the accident. Avoid guessing about fault. Avoid saying things like "I'm fine" before you've been seen by a doctor. It's okay to say that you're going to see your doctor to get checked out. Step 5. Personal Injury Protection Benefits or PIP benefits. Most Massachusetts auto policies include personal injury protection benefits or PIP benefits, which pays some of your medical bills and a portion of your lost wages. How much PIP will pay depends on whether you took a deductible and what kind of health insurance you have. Step 6. Consider talking with a car accident lawyer. An experienced car accident lawyer can confirm insurance coverage for both the driver who is at fault and your insurance. Help with PIP forms and get your medical bills paid. Communicate with adjusters on your behalf. Negotiate a settlement of your personal injury claim to get you maximum compensation. Getting legal advice early can help you avoid mistakes that might hurt your claim later on. If you've been in a car accident in Massachusetts caused by someone else's fault and you're unsure what to do next, you are welcome to contact my office. You can call us or visit our website. And if Spanish is easier for you, Hablamos Espanol.